All right, welcome back here. It is Saturday, September 16, 2023, and I'm going to be doing a little experiment today to kind of gauge and see how far I want to take this car. So what I'm going to do today is flow coat the cruiser skirts. So far I've sanded these with 600 grit wet and a gray Scotch-Brite around the edges, and I washed them, wax and grease removed them, and they've been hanging. So if you guys watched the video when we painted the car, everything got 3 coats of clear. I have a whole nother gallon of clear, and I'm really debating on flow coating the entire thing or not. So I want to do these skirts to see if there would be a noticeable difference in the appearance with the extra coats of clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them 3 more coats today. It's 82 degrees, 61% humidity. Got the Euro, same stuff that we sprayed before. Slow activator, slow reducer, 1.4 Iwata silver cap, and I'm just going to see. I'm going to see how easy it flows out, how dangerous it is to run, and because I've really never flow coated anything other than a trunk lid due to a mistake, but just want to see if it's worth it. Right now, as the car sits, there's really hardly any trash in it. There's no bugs and there's no runs, so I don't want to get greedy and start gambling and end up losing. So I'm just going to do the skirts first and see how they look. So when you get to mixing, bring you guys back once I get the first coat. All right, that's the first round. It's been about 20 minutes, and definitely slicks out a lot easier. Of course, on camera it probably looks the same as it did the day we painted it, but I used 5 ounces for both skirts, so I need to make note of that. So I'm going to end up doing 3 rounds. So my technique here with this, the way I operate is, so basically, you know, that's my 2 exhaust fans, and my intake is a halfway open door, or I crack it the amount of that plastic honey jar, and I spray water in this area right here, and then I spray water on the outside of the door also. So any dust that's coming in from the intake, because it does produce quite a bit of suction, the dust gets trapped by the water and doesn't make it past it. So in addition to that, I usually hang stuff with the good side facing the exhaust. That way anything that's blowing is going to blow past it. So we got the good side facing the exhaust, and we got the good side facing the exhaust. If you were to put them the other way, then any trash you might have blowing in is going to land right on it. So it's just a little something I learned, you know, over trial and error, is like when I do the hood and trunk, I'm probably going to hang them good side facing that way. Anyways, little tech tip for you guys. So got it already mixed, just waiting for time here. I don't want to go too fast because it's definitely wet. It's definitely wet. You can see it kind of puddling around the trim hole, just a hair, not much. Bring you guys back once I get 3 coats on this. All right, here we are 3 coats later. And like I say, on camera it probably looks exactly how it did when we first painted it, but it's definitely flatter, it's definitely glossier. No runs, but I did hose that last one on. The first 2 coats I spent 5 ounces, on the last coat I spent 7 ounces. Just a couple little lint, but no, nothing major. So I think these things can be flattened out with 1500 easily. So, if you guys enjoy this little quick video, we're going to do this to the entire car. So I'm going to get out there and get started on the doors and fenders first, over the course of the next few days. We don't have to do it all at once. We can sand it. Actually, I want to sand it and let it sit in the sun for about a week open like that before we re-clear. So you can do the whole thing in sections, which is what I plan. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you guys back when we get some more work. Thanks for watching.